Hi everyone, it's Math with AUB for the preparation of IBA Direct Test. For the preparation of IBA Direct Test, Part 3 of 23 series that I have started. Part 3 of 23. Part 3 of 23. Without wasting time, let me generate a space for you. Let me work in retrospective fashion, in reverse fashion. Our question number 30 reads as if x plus y is equal to 2 times root xy, x plus y is equal to 2 times root xy, product of xy, then which of the following must be true? We have x plus y is equal to 2 times root xy, 2 times root xy. If we utilize the first option, x is less than y, what sort of values we have to take? I take x is equal to 1, y is equal to x is equal to y is equal to 2, and I put 1 plus 2, 3, and 1 to the 2, 2. 3 does not equal to 2 times root 2, 2 times root 2. If I put x is equal to 2, then what about y? If I put x is less than y, it is an open statement. I have to check many queries, many queries. It is not going to work. It is not going to work. If I put option number B, x is equal to, then what about y? Then what about y? Let's see, utilize option number C, the most elegant, efficient, and the logical one according to this question. Otherwise, if we shift 2 here, it is arithmetic mean, it is geometric mean. Arithmetic mean is always greater than geometric mean. If I switch 2 over here, x plus y divided by 2, arithmetic mean is always greater than geometric mean when x and y are both positive. Y both are positive. It is a very simple question. But for you guys, utilize the option. Put x is equal to y, it will become x plus x is equal to 2 times x, x plus x, it will become 2x, x into x, it is a pair of x, 2 times x. So both sides are equal, so our right option in that case is C. Right option in that case is C. Don't go here and there. Given to us, utilize this potential. From this we have to conclude some result. X plus y is equal to 2 times root xy, root xy. X is less than y, x is less than y, open statement, we have to check several possibilities that they are not going to work. X is equal to, if x is equal to, then what about y? If I put x is equal to y, it's a logical one. Both are equal, they no need to assign values to them. It's easy. X plus x, it will become 2x is equal to 2 times, instead of y I have plugged in x, x times x, it is a pair of x, x plus x, 2x is equal to 2x. So right option is C in that case. C in that case. Pass me the duster. Question, let me raise 13 and continue towards in the space. Let's see and find out. We have done with question number 13. Let me erase it in order to make space for myself, yourself, in order to get ourselves visible enough. Okay. Question number 2, another elegant question. Solve without solving. Solve without solving. Solve without solving. It is given to us x plus y divided by x minus y is equal to half 1 over 2. Then we have to find value of xy plus x square over xy minus x square. Look at this. It is hidden somewhere here. If I take x common from numerator, it will become y plus x. If I take x common from the denominator, here lies the y minus x. Some sort of that quantity is present here, but hidden or concealed. Let's unearth it. Taking x common, y plus x. Taking x common from denominator, it is y minus x. X vanished out. We have y plus x over y minus x. Look at this. I can write y plus x, x plus y, because numbers addition are is commuted. What about this? There is y minus x. There is y minus x, and we have x minus y. A very delicate, a very fine, a very thin line difference. X minus y, y minus x. X minus y, y minus x. They are not the same. Take minus common from the denominator. I can write y plus x as x plus y, taking minus common from here. it will become x minus y. X minus y. That is the steady you take common. A minus b. After taking minus common, the positive quantity will, will become negative and negative will become positive. I can write in that fashion. If you multiply minus, you will get again same result. Minus b plus a or a minus b. So taking minus common, look at this. Now minus x plus y divided by x minus y. That is the quantity. We have already value of this one. X plus y divided by x minus y is equal to 1 over 2. So minus value of this quantity is 1 over 2. Then minus 1 over 2 is the right option in that case. That's our question. That's our question. These are the questions. Solve them without solving. And there is no need to find values of x and y. Just apply common sense, rational, argument. X common, I have x plus y plus x. X common from denominator, I have y minus x. Don't take them equal. X minus y, y minus x, they are not equal. X minus y does not equal to y minus x. If we take minus common from here, then it is something else. They are not equal. They are not equal. They are not equal. There is x minus y. There is y minus x. There is y minus x. I have taken minus common. I have taken minus common. I have taken minus common. Then x plus y or x minus y is given to me. Negative value of x plus y, x minus y is 1 over 2. Negative times 1 over 2 is our right option. Negative times 1 over 2 is our right option. Now we have the right sort of duster. Okay. We have done with question number 12 and we are managing the space for ourselves for upcoming solutions. Good. Now we have got good space, good space, good space. Look at this one. If x and y are prime numbers such that x is greater than y, y is greater than 2. X is greater than y, y is greater than 2. Then x square, y square must be divisible by which of the following? Look at this. Prime numbers are starting from 2. 1 is not a prime, 1 is not a prime, 2 is only even prime. 1 is not a prime, 2 is only even prime. The rest prime or odd. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43 and so on. So on. Means x is greater than y, y is greater than 2. Means we have to start from somewhere here. Whatever you want to take. X square minus y square. X square minus y square. It is our x, it's our y. If I take this 3 square minus x is greater than y square and x must be, that's one, it is y. X is greater than y. Okay. 5 square minus 3 square. 25 minus 9. It is 16. It is 16. From all these options, it is divisible by 4. It is divisible by 4. Okay. One can verify by taking other values. This is value of x. This is value of y. Changing the values. X square minus y square. Changing the values. 7 square minus 5 square. 7 square 49. Square of 5 is 25. 25, 20, 49 minus 25, it's 24. 24 is also divisible by 4. It is also divisible by 4. It is also divisible by 4. Means if x and y are both prime and neither of them is equal to 2, neither of them is equal to 1, then we have to take odd prime numbers. Odd prime numbers. These are the list of some first prime numbers. Take any two. Their difference leads us to the result that must be divisible by 4. That must be divisible by 4. Whatever you want to choose. X is greater than y. It must be odd. It must be prime. Then it must be divisible by 4. It must be divisible by 4. It must be divisible by 4. Another clue to you. X is odd. Y is odd. Odd into odd. Odd into odd. Result is odd. Okay. Let me sort this out in different fashion for you as well. Okay. X square minus y square. If I factorize x plus y times x minus y. Now look, all primes are odd except 2, but we cannot take 2. We have been forbidden, we have been restricted taking any values. This is odd plus odd times odd minus odd. Odd plus odd results in even and odd minus odd results in even. And each even number is divisible by 2 and each even number is divisible by 2 means collectively they are divisible by 4. Collectively they are divisible by 4. Look at this. Odd plus odd even. Odd minus odd, it's also even. One can verify by taking values. Even is also divisible by 2. Even is also divisible by 2. This is divisible. The result of this one is divisible by 2. The result of this one is divisible by 2 means collectively their product is divisible by 4. Their product is divisible by 4. Okay, cool. Moving towards question number 10. We have managed a good space now. Yes. If x minus y is equal to x square plus y square, then which of the following statement must be true? It's really very simple. Just open up. We have two sides and we have good idea about this. Open up perfect square x square twice first into second plus the square of third second one. X square minus 2x square plus y square. It's x square plus y square. Okay, shift these quantities there. X square y square both cancelled out. Let's see how. X square minus 2xy plus y square. On the left hand side, they change their symbols, is equal to 0. Cancel out. It's also cancel out. What I have? Minus 2xy is equal to 0. Shift negative 2 in division. I have xy is equal to 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2. So xy is equal to 0. Xy is equal to 0. So our right option in that case is x a y is equal to 0. Xy is equal to 0. This is. What about this? If I put x is equal to 0, if I put x is equal to 0, it will become minus y square is equal to x 0 square plus y square. So y square is equal to y square. This also works. This also works. What about this? If y is equal to 0, it will become x minus 0 whole square x square plus 0 square. It is also workable. It is also workable. All three options are workable in that case. All options are workable in our case. Whether it is x is equal to 0 works, they are both equal. If y is equal to 0, it's also equal. If their product x y is equal to 0, they are also equal. You have to utilize all these options. X minus y whole square, I have opened up x square minus 2x square plus y square. It is given to us x square plus y square. X square plus y square. Simply solve them. I have 2xy is equal to 0 minus 2xy is equal to 0. Either we can take from here x is equal to 0 over y, it means x is equal to 0, or y is equal to 0 means 0 over x. All three options are workable in our case. Moving towards question number next. We have okay. Let me start from as per rules from the first one. Now I have good space. Let me change the mark as well. If 3y plus 5 is equal to 7x, then find the value of 20y minus 49x. If we have to utilize the given part, 3y plus 5 is equal to 7x. Now we have to form that quantity. We have to form value of this one. Let's see and find out. If I shift 7x there, 5 there, I have 3y minus 7x is equal to minus 5. Is equal to minus 5. Is equal to minus 5. One can easily sort out. There is 3y minus 7x. There is 21y minus 49x. 21y minus 49x. If I multiply 7 throughout, multiply by 7, I have 7 3 are 21, y, 7 7 are 49, x, negative 5 times 7 is 35. So we have managed the value of 21 minus 49x, that's equal to negative 35. That's equal to negative 35. That's our right option. Another way of attempting this question is take this one, that is 21y minus 49x. Taking 7 common, I have 3y minus 7x. Okay, we have already managed the value of 3y minus 7x from here. Shift 5 there, 7 there, 3y minus 7x is equal to minus 5. Put value of 3y minus 7x, that is 7 times negative 5. That's equal to negative 35. That's equal to negative 5. One can work in either way. Okay. Moving towards question number 2. All are elegant questions. They have been solved without solving, just applying common sense. IQ type question as well. Let's see and find out. Question number 2. If the given part, if x minus y is equal to p, if the difference of xy is equal to p, then find the value of 2x square minus 4xy plus 2y square, 2y square. How we can manage the value of x and y? Look, solve without solving. I have already chanted the slogan that solve without solving. Just apply a rational your IQ. Taking 2 common, x square negative 2xy plus y square. Taking 2 common, 2 have been factored out. 2 1 the 2, 2 to the 4, 2 1 the 2 is a common factor to all the expression. Taking 2 common, look at this. It is the perfect square of x minus y whole square. It is the formula for x minus y whole square. X minus y whole square. Taking 2 common, x square minus 2x plus 4. To taking common means divide by 2. 2 divided by 2, there's 1. 4 divided by 2, 2. 2 divided by 2, that is 1. It's cool. It's a formula for x minus y whole square. What is the value of x minus y? It's p given to us. 2 times p square is our result in that case. 2 times p square is our result in that case. If the given part, if that is the given part, that is the given part, or one way around of solving this, one can solve by taking that method and forming this. I have taken 2x square minus 4xy, I have managed them in x minus y. We can also open x minus y by squaring to get this. Let's see how. Let's see how. Taking x minus y is equal to p, squaring both sides. We have squaring both sides. So I have x minus y is equal to p square. Open up, it will become x square minus 2xy plus y square is equal to p square. Look at this, I need 2x square minus 4xy plus 2y square. There is deficiency of 2. There is deficiency of 2. Multiply by 2. Multiply by 2. We have 2x square, 2 times 2, 4xy plus 2y square is equal to 2p square, 2p square. We arrive at the same result. We arrive at the same result. Either method you can apply, whether to take this one, approach here, or you can in reverse fashion from 2x square minus 4xy plus 2y square, you need the value of x minus 1. It's really cool. It's really cool. Just play with them like a skilled footballer. Okay, moving towards another good question. If p does not equal to 0, p is not 0, p is a non-zero number. Okay, then, and further p is equal to root 2 times pq minus q square. Then, in terms of q, we have to find p. Find p in terms of q. Sorry, in terms of q. In terms of q. Okay, cool. One can utilize the options. I am squaring both sides. Squaring both sides, I have p square is equal to 2pq minus q square. Getting rid of this square root, p square. Shift them on the left hand side. P square minus 2pq plus q square is equal to 0. Look at this. It is also perfect square quantity of p minus q whole square. P minus q whole square is equal to 0. To get rid of square, taking the square root, p minus q whole square is equal to root 0. Square and root cancel. I have p minus q is equal to 0. So p is equal to q. P is equal to q. We have expressed p in terms of q. P in terms of q. So our option is answer is q. So our answer in that case is q. Q is the right answer. Or one can verify by inserting the value of p is equal to q. I have q 2 times instead of pq times q minus q square. Q is equal to 2 times q square minus q square. 2 square, 2q square minus 1q square. I have single q square left in the square root. Square q square is the perfect square quantity. Q square is equal to q. So p is equal to q is our right option. P is equal to q is our right option. P is equal to q is our right option. Moving one step further towards question number 4. Let's see and find out. What sort of question this is? If x square plus 2x minus 10 divided by overall 5 is equal to 1, then what could be the value of x? What could be the value of x? What could be the value of x? Let me change the marker as well. And I please have the ink. Okay. Question number 4. X square plus 2x minus 10 divided by 5 is equal to 1. We are asked to find value of x. 5 from deviant to multiplication. 5 from deviant to multiplication. We have x square plus 2x minus 10. 1 times 5 is our 5. 1 times 5 is our 5. Write in the standard form. I have x square plus 2x minus 10 minus 5 is equal to 0. Negative 10, negative 5, they turn to be negative 15. I have x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 0. Applying middle term breakup, 5 3 is 15. There is 1, no need to take that. 5 3 is 15. 5 minus 3 leads us to 2. 5 minus 3 leads us to 2. So writing our middle term breakup, x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15 is equal to 0. Hang on, wait here, check. 5x minus 3x, it results in 2x. And from, we have taken 15, 5 and 3 from the factors of first and last. From the factors of first and last, not from our side. We have taken the factors of first and last, and we have prepared the middle one. That's why it is known as the middle term breakup. Taking x common, I have x plus 5. Taking negative 3 common, change the all upcoming symbols. This symbol turn to be positive because we have taken minus common. X plus 5. Taking common means, taking common is tantamount to dividing. Taking minus 3 common, minus 3 divided by minus 3 is equal to 1. Minus 15 divided by 3 is equal to positive 5. Positive 5. I have written. Both brackets are identical. Take it common as well. X plus 5. The other bracket is x and minus 3. Other bracket is x and minus 3 is equal to 0. So either or, x plus 5 is equal to 0. So I have x is equal to negative 5, x minus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to 3. So we have the roots of this given quadratic equation, 3 and minus 1, 3 and minus 1. Look at the options, only minus 5 tallies that, minus 5 tallies that. We have positive 3, it is negative, it is not our option. So our option is A, negative 5 in all case. Moving one step further, thank you. Moving one step further, what is the difference of the absolute value of twice the difference of the roots? Means first we have to find the roots, solution of this quadratic equation, then we have to find their difference and we have to twice them. Let's see and find out. I have 5y square minus 20y plus 15 is equal to 0. Look at this one. Make the data light. Taking 5 common. 1 5 the 5, 4 5 the 20, 5 3 the 15. So I have y square minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0. Taking 1 first and last, 1 3 the 3, 1 and 3, 4. Applying middle breakup concept, y square minus 3y minus 1y plus 3 is equal to 0. Taking 5 common, make the situation light, make the calculation light, and it's very easy for us. Taking y common, 1 3 the 3, 3 minus, we need 4, minus 3 minus 1, we need, it will become minus 4, minus 3y minus 1 is equal to minus 4y. Taking y common, y minus 3. Nothing is common, 1 is always common. Taking 1 common, change the upcoming symbol, it will become y minus 3 is equal to 0. So I have y minus 3 and y minus 1 equal to 0. Either or, y minus 3 is equal to 0, y minus 1 is equal to 0. So I have y is equal to 3 and in that case y is equal to 1. Okay, now we are asked to find twice their absolute difference. What is the difference of these two? 3 minus 1. Absolute difference means we have to turn negative into positive. This is modulus. Absolute value means positive. Absolute value means positive. 2 times 2, 2 to the 4. 4 is our right option in that case. 4 is our right option in that case. Look at this. Taking 5 common, making the situation light. Y square minus 4y plus 3. Taking middle term, y1 and 3 leads to 4. I have done this. Then we have been asked to find what is the absolute value. Absolute means modulus value. of twice the difference of the roots. 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 Their absolute value. Their absolute value. So it's equal to 4. It's equal to 4. Moving one step further as well. We have another good question. Question number 6. It's given to us. It is x doesn't equal to minus 2. That's the restriction in that case. 7x square plus 28x plus 28 divided by x plus 2 whole square. X plus 2 whole square. Okay. Either shrink this, factorize this, or open this up. Both are correct. Let's see and find out. Taking 7 common from the numerator, I have x square plus 4x plus 4. Taking 7 common. 1 7 the 7, 7 4 the 28. Same is the here. What about this? X square. Open this up twice. First into second plus the square of second. So I have 7 times x square plus 4x plus 4 divided by x square 2 to the 4x plus 4, 4x plus 4. They are cancelled out. So 7 is the answer in that case. 7 is the answer in that case. Or one can merge them. But this is formula of x plus 2 whole square. Write this x plus 2 whole square and cancel them. Taking common is a wonderful thing. You must be adept at that, expert at that. Okay, moving towards third last question. 7th question. 7. By the way, what is mentioned here? Let me share with you this point as well. Divided by x plus 2 whole square. Here it is mentioned that x does not equal to minus 2. If we take x equal to minus 2, minus 2 plus 2, it will become 0. And we cannot divide with 0. Division with 0 is not allowed. That's why we have been forbidden. If x doesn't equal to minus 2, if x doesn't equal to minus 2, means domain of this function is all real numbers excluding negative 2. We can take any value put here. It will give us a real valued result except minus 2. If we put x is equal to minus 2, it's undefined, indeterminate situation for us. That's why it's mentioned to you. Okay, cool. Moving one step further. Question number 7, a tiny one. 7 raised 9 plus 7 raised 8 divided by 8. Don't add their powers. They are not in multiplication. Don't add their powers. They are not in multiplication. Take common. 7 raised 8 common. There is 7 raised 9. There is 7 raised 8. Little power common to both, that 7 raised 8. What remains here? 7 raised 1. Nothing remains means 1 remains. After taking common, nothing remains, 1 remains. Nothing remains, 1 remains. You can verify, multiply again. 7 raised 8 into 7, it will become 7 raised 8 into 7 plus 1 times 7 raised 8. Bases are same, they are in multiplication. Add the powers. 8 and 1, 9 plus 7 raised 8. That's why, that's the strategy. Nothing remains, 1 remains after taking common. Okay, divided by 8. 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8 divided by 8. Cancelled out. I have 7 raised 8 is our result. 7 raised 8 is our result in that case. In that case. What about the last two questions? We have dealt the hard nuts. We have corrected the hard nuts. The remaining questions, really they are easy. I always write in retrospective fashion. First tough one, then easy one. Okay, question number 8. Look at this. If x plus y is equal to 10 and x minus 5, x minus y is equal to 5, then find the value of x square minus y square. Look, he is presenting you a cake, a walk in the park. Everything is given to you. X plus y, x minus y. Factorize them. It's equal to x plus y times x minus y. Just insert the values, plug in the values. X plus y is equal to 10, x minus y is equal to 5. 10 times 5, 50 is our answer. 10 times 5, 50 is our answer. What about the last one? Look at this. It is also a question. X times x minus y and minus z times x minus y. Look, this bracket is overall common. I step from the somewhere common. X minus y common. X minus y common. What remains? From here x and here is minus z, x minus x minus z. That is the required result of odds. X minus y times x minus c, x minus z, sorry, x minus y, there is x minus c. X minus y, one bracket, there will be x minus y, x minus z is our result in that case. It's my tiny effort for you on day 3 of 23. Day 3 of 23. It's all bets up next.